Let me tell you something. If I had to choose between sandwiches and women, I'm not sure this would be a world that I'd see fit to live in. Because I love them both more than a single man or two. That's right. Every day and night I'm thankful that I've got a few to share with you.